Oh, here comes Mommy. Oh my god, I want to get your tummy, but I can't get down there. And how about you? Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, you. Jackson. Jackson. What's up? You're chewing. You have your first tooth today. And you can't get anything out of your mouth, can you? Hi, Bug. Yeah. Chew, chew, chew. And then I hear Raspberry Man over here. You are the sweetest little thing. Oh, it's beautiful out too. So we're gonna do a shot back here, even though we're kind of all sideways right now. And you can't tell how beautiful it is out, but it is beautiful. Sunday!